Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have a try on haul featuring Old Navy. So Old Navy is probably one of my favorite places to find just hidden gems. There's a lot of stuff on their site that's not that great, but then there's a lot of things that are awesome. So I kind of do some of the digging for you guys, and I found some good stuff and I found some really bad stuff, to be honest with you. We're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show you the pieces. I'm gonna show you how I would style them a couple different ways. That is my trick in terms of shopping. If you are wanting to add new pieces to your wardrobe, get stuff, bring it home, make outfits. If you can't, it doesn't belong in your wardrobe, or analyze why you can't make things, or if you need other crucial pieces. But that's my biggest tip. Bring it home, try it with different shoes, different whatever. Style it a couple different ways to see if it's right for you. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump in. Let's start with this classic black dress that I got. I feel like I'm truly entering into my dress era. I think I've said this a couple times, but I really felt like I never wore dresses because I didn't have the right shoes to go with them. And now I feel like I've got a couple of shoes that go really well with dresses. I was such a Birkenstock girl for years and years and years, and I still am. I love them. I wear them all the time, but they're a big bulky shoe. They don't always look great with dainty little dresses. So I saw this and it was so cute. This is linen, which is so nice. I love, you can find linen anywhere. I know you can find it in really high-end places, and I'm going to show you a couple linen pieces that look like they could be from like Abercrombie or something. Not that Abercrombie's like high-end, but you know what I mean? Like double, triple the price, especially when you can get stuff on sale. It's kind of crazy. So I love the silhouette of this dress. So perfect. The length, that's something I feel like Old Navy does better than anybody else. They do a very modest length, but they also have petites, I'm pretty sure, in most of their stuff, so you can get it shorter if you want. But I love this dress. The little tie straps, I'm a sucker for a tie strap detail. It's one of my favorite accents to a dress or a top. I think it's so stunning and so cute, and I like to tie the bow a little bit in front instead of on top. I think it just shows more of the bow and just, it's cute. So this has pockets. It has this cinched ruche back, but I feel like you can't tell if it's on a darker color, so that's a key if you're buying a more affordable dress that has this sort of bungee on it. It's not a bad thing, but it can look a little cheap, so if you get a darker color, it looks less cheap. So anyway, love this. Pockets, perfect A-line detail. The bodice, the straight across with the tie straps, very modern, very classic fit that I feel like is timeless. And such a good steal, the fact that it's linen. And not that it's sheer, but it is double lined in the breast area, but it's not double lined in the skirt, but it's a heavier, thicker material, so not see-through at all. And I love that. I think it's cute with sneakers. I think it's cute with some espadrilles. Could also be cute with a pair of bold sort of statement heels. So cute. Another dress. I'm a sucker for basic, just t-shirt-esque dresses. That is something I've always worn because you can wear these with Birkenstocks. But this little t-shirt dress, I saw it and I thought it was super cute. Or it's not a t-shirt, it's a tank dress, shirt dress, whatever. It's got little pockets here, which I didn't love the idea that they stitched them out. It's not the end of the world, but they are exposed stitching on it. It also comes in navy and white, but I have so much navy and white that I wanted to try this taupey sort of mauve-y color. So cute. You can't go wrong with it. Throw it over a bathing suit. It is kind of sheer. The white part is kind of sheer, not too sheer, but just keep it in mind. It's you want to wear nude undergarments under it. Perfect length, just very simple, very soft, very cozy, very quick, easy throw and go sort of fit, and I think it's cute. Throw it on with a denim jacket for a more winter, for a cooler night out look. But I love the length of this, and I love the softness and the structure on this. It's not very structured, but you know what I mean? There's the right structure to a t-shirt dress, and this has some weight to it, so it stays and holds its sort of shape. Here we go. This dress. I've seen so many people talk about this, and how has nobody said, maybe I got a fluke? I could barely get this over my head, and when I got it over my head, I couldn't get it off my head. It is so freaking tight. I would definitely size up in this. I got this in a small, which is in my true size, but I feel like it gave me a lot of this part. I feel like this part is just kind of I don't know, not a great look if it's not tight and toned. especially in stuff like this, but I feel like this like dug in, so it just like flopped over, and I was like, no. I love the fact that this has a built-in bra to it though, like a little shelf bra in it, with just like a little bungee in it, which awesome. But I would definitely need this in a bigger size. Besides that, everything else is cute. I'm afraid if I went, like, whose head is too small? It's so tiny. I'm afraid if I go up, it won't be as figure hugging, whatever. But I'm still gonna try. I'm gonna try to, when I go into the store, I'm gonna try to see if they have it in a medium. They have a bunch of different colors in this dress, and I've seen so many people try it on, style it, because it's such a cute like silhouette, really affordable again. But unfortunately the sizing was just not it. I liked where the slit was, I liked everything else. It's only lined in the top part, but the bottom part is like a ribbed sort of stretchy material, and it's super cute, but unfortunately the head is too small. But I did kind of like this orange, even though when I have a sunless tan I kind of like blend into the dress, but you know, it's still kind of cute. All right, so I have still been on the hunt for like the perfect pair of like white jeans, and I've had some good luck with Old Navy jeans. One of my all-time favorite pairs is from Old Navy. So I decided to try these, and I kind of like them. Okay, so I don't know, I'm still on the fence of whether I love them, but I kind of like them. I'm trying to embrace the wider leg trend, but I don't know if it fully works for me, but I think it does with these because the waist is like tighter and like more form-fitting. So these I got in a size 2. These are the extra high rise, sky high, wide leg, secret smoothing pockets. What a nine. But I kind of really love these. They do have a little bit of stretch to them. They have a little bit of distressing, but the distressing is very still chic in my opinion. It's not where you can like see skin through it if you don't want to. But it's a wide leg. So let me know, sound off. What do we think about these? I think the 2 fit me absolutely perfect. I'm anywhere from a 2 to a 0 in their jeans. I feel like their jeans can run small at times, but I think these pair fit me perfectly, and the length is honestly amazing too. So I really don't know what I'm on the fence about, but I really do like them. And then I decided to try these. I wanted these in white, but I'm pretty sure that they were sold out. And they also didn't have a 2, so I got a 0 in these. These are, again, the ultra high rise, sky high, wide leg, secret smoothing pockets. No rips in them. This I should have done a 2 in. I feel like the 0 was just a little bit tight in like the hips, like you got some pulling right here, but still really cute, still good fitting. These are very similar again to those ones. I like that these have the raw hem at the bottom of them, a little bit stretchy, but still like a very true denim material. I liked these, but I don't know if I love the color of these. I want these in all white, so I'm gonna look and see if they have these in all white. Then I would get these in a size 2 for sure. I think I just didn't want rips in my white jeans. Even though those aren't like super ripped, I think that's truly the issue. So if I can get the sky high with no rips in a size 2 and white, then perfect jeans. So trousers, we all know, so popular, so it. And I have one pair, maybe I have a couple pair, but I have one pair that I wear all the time, and I was gonna buy a pair of linen ones at Abercrombie, but their prices were just kind of high, and I just didn't know if I would wear them a ton. So I saw that they released some linen trousers, and these are so freaking good. Like, they're good. Like, I feel like they should be way more expensive than they are. The linen, I got the black linen. It's got the button with the 2 little hook detail. It's flat paneled in the front, but it does have a little bungee in the back, just like the Abercrombie ones. The fit on these is perfect. If it's like loose, but not too loose, like it doesn't look like you're wearing like wide leg pants, like it's the perfect everything. The length is perfect. These look good with sandals, these look good with sneakers. So cute. And yeah, check out Old Navy if you're looking for linen. I'm telling you, they had so much cute linen, and I was surprised to find a pair of linen trousers. I have like a pair of linen like stretchy pants, like gaucho sort of things, but not like a fitted trouser, and those are so good. So if you work in the office or you just are like a casual trouser girl, check those out. Another linen piece I got was this guy right here. I honestly think it's slightly big for me. I would have liked it extra small. I think this fits a little oversized, but this is such a good find. It is double lined with soft inside, like a, not like a satin, kind of like a whatever, cotton inside, and linen blazer. Now the problem also is my package got like just like not destroyed, but like ripped apart in shipping, and so this part got like ruined. So I'm going to see if they have this in the extra small when I go to return it in store. So I would size down with this if you're not looking for something super oversized. When in doubt, I tend to just go with a classic fit of a blazer, not super oversized, not super tight. So I would like this to be a tiny bit more fitted, but this is really nice quality, and I think I got this like on killer sale. So if you're looking for a good light linen blazer, I think that is a great one. And then last but not least, I got this little sweater, which I like, but honestly, I feel like I'm more of a full cardigan button-up girl or just a full pullover sweater versus a v-neck cardigan girl. I don't know. I wanted to like it, but I don't know if I love it. So this is the coloring. It's white and navy. I like it, but again, I don't think I'm obsessed with it, so I think this is gonna go back, but still so freaking cute and really soft and comfortable. I have one of their other cardigans like that in tan, and I do really like it, and I wear it a decent amount, but I honestly don't know if I like the fact that it's large striped with a button up. So I think I would do a larger stripe like that with a full pullover. But yeah, that's it. That's everything that I picked up from my recent Old Navy haul. A couple of really good pieces. You guys need to sign up for their rewards program. This isn't sponsored, but their rewards program is so freaking good. You're notified whenever they have like amazing deals. I just never buy anything from Old Navy full price. Never buy anything from anywhere full price, okay? So you can always get amazing good deals, but I love Old Navy, and I feel like if you haven't shopped there in a while, you have to do some digging. But like I said, I try to do some digging for you guys. So if there's any sites that you feel like overwhelmed by their selection or their site, and you want me to kind of piece through and dig through, if you have similar style to me, let me know in the comments down below if there's a specific brand that you want me to do that from. I love Old Navy. I've been shopping at Old Navy forever, and I feel like you can just find some really cute pieces for a really good affordable price. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you find these videos helpful. Let me know what your favorite outfit was down below. I'm always curious to know. I have been insanely in love with linen this summer, and black and white. Those have been my staples for my summer wardrobe. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video very soon.